In this video, I will show you how to master the art of blending colors in CorelDRAW to create stunning creative gradients that bring your designs to life. To get started, the first step is to use your pick tool to select the specific object you want to work on. Once your shape is selected, you need to activate the interactive fill tool, which you can easily do by pressing the G key on your keyboard as a quick shortcut. Now, simply click and drag across your shape to apply a basic gradient. Typically, this defaults to a simple black and white transition or a uniform fill fading into white, but we're going to make it much more interesting than that. To change the colors and move away from the defaults, click directly on the starting or ending square nodes located on the gradient line. From here, you can select a fresh new color from your palette. If you prefer a faster method, you can also just drag and drop a color swatch directly onto the node to instantly update the appearance. If you really want to elevate your design, you can add custom colors at any point along the path. All you have to do is double-click anywhere on the gradient line to insert a brand new color node. Adding these extra nodes allows you to create complex and multicolor creative gradients, such as smoothly merging vibrant shades of blue, magenta, and yellow into one beautiful transition. By experimenting with the placement and quantity of these nodes, you gain complete control over the blend and can achieve truly professional results in just a few clicks. This technique is incredibly versatile for logos, backgrounds, or any graphic that needs an extra layer of depth and visual interest.